Hey everyone, and welcome to Conics. You ever dream of becoming a millionaire before you even hit your 30s? It might sound like a lottery win, but I'm here to tell you it's absolutely possible with the right game plan. It's not about luck. It's about focus, discipline, and making smart financial moves, starting right now. In this video, I'm going to lay out a practical roadmap for anyone who's ambitious and ready to build serious wealth early in life. So, if you're ready to change your financial future, stick around. First things first. Let's talk about income. Relying on a single paycheck is like trying to fill a bucket with a tiny hole in it. You will always be struggling to keep up. The key to accelerating your wealth is developing multiple income streams. This doesn't mean you need to work 3 full-time jobs. It could be a side hustle you're passionate about, like freelance writing, graphic design, or even starting a small online shop. Think about the skills you already have. Can you teach someone an instrument? Are you great at editing videos? Turn those talents into cash? Even an extra $500 a month, when invested wisely, can compound into a fortune over time. It's about creating systems that make money for you, even when you're not actively working. Now that you have money coming in from different directions, what do you do with it? This is where most people go wrong. They increase their income, and they increase their spending to match. To become a millionaire, you need to live below your means and make your money work for you. This brings us to the magic of investing. You've probably heard of it, but are you doing it? The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius. Start with simple, effective strategies, like investing in low-cost index funds, or ETFs. Think of it as planting money trees. Every dollar you invest is a seed that can grow into a massive tree over time, providing you with financial shade for the rest of your life. The goal is to shift from earning money to having your money earn more money. Beyond just investing, true wealth comes from creating value. Let's talk about entrepreneurship. Starting a business might sound intimidating, but it's one of the most effective paths to significant wealth. Find a problem you can solve, a need you can fill. Your business doesn't have to be the next Google. It can be a local service, a niche blog, or a unique product. The key is to start with purpose. What are you passionate about? What change do you want to see in the world? When your business is aligned with your purpose, you'll have the drive and resilience to overcome the inevitable challenges. It's about building an asset that not only generates income, but also has the potential to be sold for a massive profit down the line. Remember, every big company started as a small idea. Finally, none of this is possible without the right mindset. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistency and a long-term vision. You will face setbacks. You will make mistakes. But the successful ones are those who learn from their failures and keep moving forward. Educate yourself constantly. Read books on finance. Listen to podcasts from successful entrepreneurs. And surround yourself with people who inspire you to be better. Your mindset is your most valuable asset. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals. Stay disciplined when things get tough. And never lose sight of the financial freedom you are working towards. It's a journey of continuous growth, both personally and financially. So there you have it, a roadmap to becoming a young millionaire. It all boils down to creating multiple income streams, investing intelligently, building a business with purpose, and cultivating an unstoppable mindset. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or already on your entrepreneurial journey, these strategies will help you grow your wealth faster and smarter. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Conics for more content designed to help you achieve your financial goals. Let me know in the comments which one of these steps you're going to start with first. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.